Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn and Have Fun. In this video, we will discuss the amazing discovery of Hans Christian Ørsted, magnetic effect of electric current. Due to his accidental discovery of magnetic effect of electric current, today we have a separate branch of study known as electromagnetism. Until 1820, electricity and magnetism were studied separately, independent of each other. Electricity was considered as a phenomenon related to electric current and magnetism was considered to be related to magnets. No one thought of any relationship between electricity and magnetism. Ørsted, through his accidental discovery, showed that electricity and magnetism were indeed related to each other. In this video, we will try to recreate the discovery of Hans Christian Ørsted. For this, we need the following materials: a magnetic compass, few carom coins, copper wires, and battery with alligator clips. Fix carom coins on the table with the help of a glue tape. Put some glue tape on the top of carom coins. Stick copper wire on the carom coins with the help of a tape. Mark the ends of the copper wire as A and B. Place the magnetic compass below the copper wire. The magnetic compass needle is currently pointing towards the geographical north and south direction. Take a battery of 3 volt. It has 2 AA cells of 1.5 volt each. Now pass the electric current through the copper wire by connecting it with the positive and negative terminal of the battery. What do you observe? The compass needle suddenly deflected to one side. Compare this with the activity when a compass needle is brought near a bar magnet. The needle shows a deflection. We know that this happened because like poles of magnet repel and unlike pole of magnet attract. By comparing these activities, we can say that a current carrying wire also behaves as a magnet. This is our first observation. Repeat the activity. Note down the deflection of compass needle. With 2 AA cells in battery case, the amount of deflection is 54 degrees. Let's see what happens if we increase the number of cells in our battery. Now we have placed 4 cells in the battery case. By increasing the number of cells, we are actually increasing the current in the copper wire. Now pass the current through the copper wire. What do you observe now? The magnetic compass shows large deflection in this case. Here the amount of deflection is 62 degrees. Thus, magnetic effect is directly proportional to electric current. It means if we increase the current, magnetic effect also increases. This is our second observation of the activity. Now, pass the current through the copper wire and move the compass slightly away from the wire. What do you observe? The deflection decreases. That means the magnetic effect of current carrying wire decreases as we move away from the copper wire. That is, the magnetic field strength is inversely proportional to the distance from the wire. This is our third observation. Pass the electric current through the copper wire again. Keep the magnetic compass below the wire. Note the direction of deflection of compass needle. The needle deflects towards east. Now place the compass above the copper wire. Here you can clearly see that the direction of deflection is towards west. This means that the polarity of direction of magnetic field below and above the copper wire are opposite. This is our fourth observation. Here is the last part of the activity. We change the direction of electric current through the wire. Switch the crocodile clips at the end A and B of the copper wire. Thus, the current is now flowing from the end B to the end A. The direction of deflection reverses when we change the direction of current. This shows that direction of force on compass needle depend upon the direction of current flow in the wire. This is the observation number 5. Let's summarize all the observation of this activity. Number 1. A current carrying wire creates a magnetic field around itself, or we can say a current carrying wire behaves like a magnet. Number 2. Magnetic field strength is directly proportional to electric current. With increase in electric current, magnetic effect also increases. Number 3. Magnetic effect of current carrying wire decreases as we move away from the copper wire. That means the magnetic field strength is inversely proportional to the distance from the current carrying wire. Number 4. The direction of magnetic field above and below the current carrying copper wire are opposite. Number 5. Direction of deflection of compass needle depends upon the direction of current flow in the wire. This is our attempt to explain you the concept of magnetic effect of electric current. Hope you like our effort to make science a fun subject. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching our channel Learn and Have Fun. Don't forget to watch our recently uploaded videos.